Hello? We back? Yeah, okay. Mobile and game account. Let me read the chat. Go away. Did one on achievements. All it needs is a database connection or something, so they aren't necessarily local, but that got like 20 views in the past 6 to 7 months. Mobile and game mechanics seem to be the big attention. I mean, I'm from the era of mobile games where endless runners were a thing. I don't think they still are a thing, but you could always do a procedural endless runner generation tutorial, maybe? I don't know. In that case, maybe languages. Go with the languages. Target skate. I don't know why they can't say what they want. But it also maybe for the best sometimes. Like one time someone was like, can someone please teach me how to do an Aurora Borealis in Blender? And I spent like 6 months trying to work out the best way to make an Aurora Borealis that looked like super realistic before giving up. So, you know, what is going on with my PC today? Like, when I was booting it, it was like, no thank you. And now it's just sort of glitching all over the place. I wonder if it's something to do with that pending NVIDIA driver. Who knows? I mean, to be fair to them, if you're saying if they say they're waiting for a video on how to do hook shots, that means they want it. Is the bitrate still really unstable? Because I don't know. But yeah, I know. It's okay, cool. How do I do this? I mean, I guess it would be 0 anyway, so I can just do that. Playback locked on 2500. Well, I mean, that's a little bit less. Okay, it's back to normal now. Weird. I don't know what's going on with my PC today. It's probably the heat. I don't particularly blame it. Wait, and then we need to go doop, and let's yes. Although to be honest, Can I really complain about that if I'm streaming? Like, is that not just, you know, increasing the inevitability? Okay, so this is my sort of idea for the game. Why not? Orientation equals X. Okay, fine, we'll do it this way. Scale. Scale. Okay, let's see if that works. No. You spin my Godot bot right round, baby, like a merry-go-round. Is that why it didn't work? Scale. Oh my god. No. Orientation. There we go. Right. But I still don't really need this property scale, so we can get rid of it. Okay, right. Oh, stop it! It's too obvious nonsense, Godot. We are getting bug. Target object has no property named scale what? I hate you right now. Right, here we go. Doop. Okay, so that kind of works. Doop, doop. Oh. So we just say that plus doop, 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 doop. Okay. Whoop, doop, whoop, doop, whoop, doop. So that could work. It's not causing any particular it's not causing any particular problems. Obviously it will need to only spin if it's not already spinning, but we can work on that. But would a 3D version be better? So let us make a new scene. Spin them horizontally face down, flipping is for numpties. I mean, so let me show you the idea for the card game or the board game. The board game is not this one. It's where is it? Where is it? Not that one. So the idea is nope, 2D card game. So tile templates.svg. Okay, it is loading. So the idea is it would be something like, oh my god. Okay, so it'd be something like this. So you can either swap it with the neighbor in that direction, or you can swap it with the neighbor in that direction, swap it with the neighbor in that direction, or you can flip it. You basically, the idea is whatever you do to the current tile. So if you say flip a tile, oh, is the stream bad again? No, okay, cool. So say you flip this tile, whatever it says on the other side, you have to do to the, so like, what if there was a card game based around all the gods, so you have decks of themes like Egyptian, Greek, Hinduism, etc. That'd be cool. I don't know how I'd play that into the theme for this game jam, but yeah. So like yeah. So let's say I've flipped this from red to blue, and then maybe it's these three, and this one says swap, this one says flip, and then this one says rotate. I mean, I think there is a game called Gods and Kings or something. I do have it. Okay. Yeah, okay, so apparently the stream did end at one point. Gods of Egypt card game. No, not that one. Kings of Egypt card game. Oh, that's the one. Valley of the Kings, that's what I was thinking of. Okay, not really what you were thinking of, but, you know. Okay, that's cool. Oh yeah. I don't know what caused my PC to crash so hard that it didn't crash, but the whole stream just died. But, you know, whatever. It's fine. It's too hot to be worrying about such things. It's also too late, because this is meant to be a fairly short stream. So, you know, whatever. It's fine. State. Last state. The enemy is all the rich people that just want to see the world burn, but you know, let's keep it light. 3D test tile. And then we want to mesh. Do we want to mesh? Hello, how are you? No. Yay. Cool. Are you taking part in God of War Jam? Also, new Joker, are you also taking part? I should have asked you. So let's put this like this. And we'll actually, you know what? I will do a mesh. It only started a few hours ago, like 4.5 hours ago. Theme is symmetry. If you fancied it, you could do. If you don't fancy it, that's also cool. Let's just do a 2x2. So let's scale this sprite up. Ooh. Bribed by whom? Oh god, I need that to be so much shorter. Why? 1. You do have 2 weeks off, and it's a 9-day game jam. And then, as soon as that, Or, well, there's... Fair enough. I think 2D would work better, but I just feel like the 3D would look nicer. So we'll add a tween. So 2 weeks off, eh? I think you should. I think you should do it, and then if you finish it in time, you could also then start on GMTK Game Jam. That'd be cool too. I think that'd be neat. Let's say 026. So anyway, yeah, my if you're interested, okay, that's fair enough. As long as you like, yeah, don't want to be like giving you procrastination reasons. So we want to say spatial. No, we want to say 3D flip test. Save. And then we want to add a grid and a camera. I guess I could do it straight down, but probably still procrastinate the whole time anyways. What is the project? Unless you'd rather not say, which is cool. Let's go with one. It is about procrastination. Ooh, 2D MMO. I think you might have mentioned that last time. I'm just really bad at remembering things. Okay. Wait, does the 2D flip test work? Fair enough. Haven't, I think you might, yeah, I think I did, but I haven't actually done anything like it since. That's fair enough. Okay. So what if I'm holding shift at the same time? Alt mode bool equals false. That Mike is staring at me, it's giving me suggestive looks. No, that's just the heat. Alt mode equals not alt mode. Do flip. If alt mode do direction. You know what? I'll just do it the lazy way for now. Else do flip. We'll do flip in direction. Flip. Why? Giggity. You finished Stranger Things. Also, hello. Good. Now I can give you all the spoilers. Space. Why is that not working? If alt mode. Flip it away. It was good though, right? Super good. I have too many survival games that aren't even close to being survival games. Make devs categorize their games properly. That's such a big spoiler, man. Don't be spoiling it for people. Print is alt mode. Alt mode. Direction. Oh. Because I'm an idiot. There we go. What? How can you not want to watch Stranger Things? Okay, there we go. So let me press is alt. Whoa! Jeebus. Oh, because I did it on every single time. Same reason I never cared to watch Game of Thrones, which is okay. I mean, you didn't miss much with Game of Thrones. I found it very tedious, and then they ruined it anyway. So it's like, well, fine. Direction equals -1. Cool. So, fun fact, Buttspot normally says butts, but you can change the word. Yeah. To be honest, I still maintain the best thing about Game of Thrones was the intro. If everyone's going to be obsessive about something, I'm going to distance myself from it and trigger people about it by talking about how much it sucks. Yeah. To be honest, it was amazing till Sean Bean died. That was like the middle of the first episode or something. So I ended up getting the box set of the first 3 series, and I tried binging it 2 or 3 times, and I've always ended up not getting past the same episode every time. And then I'm just like, ugh. When I want to watch it again, I'm like, I have no idea what happened. I'm going to have to watch it again. And I always get stuck at like, I run out of energy at the same point every time. The story is meh. Yes. I don't disagree. And the books are probably never going to get finished because he's old and fat and doesn't want to finish them because he thinks people are entitled. So, you know. So that works. I'm happy with that. State equals waiting. Porro sad. Yes. If I want to watch some of that old school kings, queens, castles and dragons, I'll watch Lotra. Which is Lord of the Rings. Are you of the age to have seen Ralph Bakshi's animated Lord of the Rings? And if so, what did you think of it? So this would probably be better. I'd probably one from 78. Was it 78? I thought it was. Oh yeah. Yeah, the one from 78. Watch The Hobbit animated from 77 in school. Nice. I've not seen that one. And I kind of I kind of dread it because everyone looks a bit dopey in it. I mean, look at that face. Look at it. What is that? Another teacher read the Hobbit book to us, chapter a day after lunch. Oh, that's nice. Look at Gollum. You know what bothers me is none of the characters look consistent. Ah! I don't like it. It's an interesting art style. Anyway. Oh no, what are you sending me? Oh, you can't hear this, can you?
Does not know.
Bless my soul. Hello, what's this?
That ring!
Nice souvenir to show the neighbors back home, if I ever get home. Oh, who are you?
Bless us, my precious. A tasty morsel, it would make us. What is it, my precious?
You know what? He kind of looks like the basilisks from Dark Souls. Is everyone from up north like? Oh. Oh. Wait. Is this originally a German thing? Nope. Weird. Yeah. What are these 3 notifications? Oh. Cool. No subscribers. But then again, I'm not putting anything on this channel yet, so why would there be subscribers? But back to the question. Don't think I saw that after a movie. I mean, wait, did you just subscribe or something? What's going on? I mean, there wouldn't be subscribers because I haven't put any content on. Like, literally the only content that there is the streams that are also streaming on Twitch at the same time. And like 1 advert that's outdated for my video, for my card game. So yeah. It's hot. Best game state, but here for the tests. State does not equal waiting. Turn. If state does not equal waiting. Return. We need a Gollum programming language. Is there not one already? Oh, there's a Golem programming language. If Trixie do this. Yes, do it. Do it like Rockstar programming language. And again, I'm going to post this because I'm sure I've mentioned it before, but this is a really fun video to watch if you just want to see some weird programming being done. Such as writing metal power ballads as programming as programs. I kind of want to spoil it. I feel like I should spoil it.
Real-time interactive audio programming. Now, I want to finish up, we have a few minutes left, by telling you about the thing that I did. because all this stuff about esoteric languages and quines and all that kind of stuff, it gave me an idea. You see, we've always had this trope about this idea of the rockstar developer, right? You look at the ads on LinkedIn and you'll see everyone is out there recruiting for rock stars. Rockstar do this, rockstar to do that, rockstar to do that. And last year, Paul Stovall put this on Twitter. He said, to really confuse recruiters, someone should make a programming language called Rockstar. And I had this experience. I had this moment of blinding revelation. Because, you see, when I wasn't messing around with logo on Amstrads, I was listening to music like this, and I thought, this is what the world needs. The world needs a Turing-complete programming language for writing computer programs that are also 1980s hard rock power ballads. So, the hello world in Rockstar is very easy. It's say hello world, but it's also scream or whisper or shout, because creative expression is what Rockstar is all about. Variables and assignment. Now we have int_x and we have var mystring and we have the message, and this does not look terribly rock and roll. Now, first of all, we don't need semicolons, we don't need types. It's a dynamically typed language. If this is good enough for Ruby, it's good enough for Rockstar. Now we don't want these equal signs. We're gonna plug in is instead. Now, how many of you ever had an argument longer than 3 hours about whether to use Pascal case or camel case or chainsaw case or snake case?
If you guys don't want to watch this, I'm happy to just leave the video. Like, I really enjoyed this video, so I might just watch it for a few minutes.
Variable names with spaces in them. Now, I invented Rockstar in a bar, and when you invent programming languages in a bar, you can do anything you want. So we can have variables with spaces in them. There are simple variables. We have common variables. My heart, your dream, the night, Dr. Feelgood, Black Betty, Billie Jean. Anything starting with capitals, you can chain those together. That's a valid variable name. Now, programming involves a lot of numbers, and rock and roll kind of doesn't. Fizz is 3, buzz is 5, the limit is 100. I wanted a more creative way of initializing variables, so I came up with this. What if we take the lengths of the words, modulo 10, and treat those as digits in a number? So we've got 3, 5, 1, 0, 0. The limit is a love-struck lady killer. That's much more creative than limit equals 100, isn't it? We can do it with floating point numbers as well. You want to initialize pi in C, 3.1415, blah, 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 blah. And JavaScript, var pi equals, well, it's JavaScript, so you're going to get almost pi, like approximately. In Rockstar, my heart was ice, a life unfulfilled, waking everybody up, taking booze and pills. 3.1415. We needed arithmetic. Now in English, we talk about, oh, how much is it? It's the price with the tax. It's the total without the tax. The quantity of the product, the distance over the time. Use the same thing in Rockstar, but we can be more creative. We can say a girl with a dream, a man without a face, the wings of the night, a whisper over the water. We need comparison. Your love is a lie, the whiskey ain't the answer. My heart is stronger than steel, my soul is weaker than water, my will is as strong as a lion, and your lies are as low as a snake. You can't program without functions, right? So, modulus takes a number and a divisor. And while a number is as high as a divisor, put a number without a divisor into a number, and give back a number. This blank line, by the way, that terminates the loop, because that's how music works. We don't need semicolons and end statements. This blank line, it means something just finished. Alternatively, midnight takes your heart and your soul. And while your heart is as high as your soul, put your heart without your soul into your heart. And give back your heart. So I did this, and I came up with this parody language specification. I stuck it on GitHub, and I tweeted about it. And the internet went kind of crazy. And it made the front page of Hacker News. It got a write-up in Boing Boing magazine. People on Reddit were saying nice things. I don't know if you hang out on Reddit, but getting Reddit to say nice things is no small achievement. It doesn't happen very often. Shut up and take my money. Then this happened. Classic Rock is a real rock magazine that has nothing to do with programming jokes. And they emailed me and said, what's this Rockstar thing we keep hearing about? And they did a feature on it, alongside interviews with the Rolling Stones and Metallica and people like that. I was just like, then people started filing issues. And I was like, why are you filing an issue? And they said, because your specification has undefined behavior. And I said, why do you care? And they said, because my compiler has undefined behavior. And I said, what? And they said, I've implemented a Rockstar compiler in Scala yesterday. I was like, you can do that? And it just kept going round and round and round. There's about 5 different implementations suddenly sprung up. There's a Scala one and a Rust one and a Python transpiler and all kinds of things. And you know, I like the sound of Dylan Beattie, the creator of Rockstar, but I didn't think that just writing a parody spec in a bar was enough work to justify it. So I decided I actually had to build an interpreter for it if I was going to do this. And I did it over Christmas in JavaScript because I'm an idiot. And for another reason, because I wanted everybody to be able to run Rockstar without installing it. I wanted Rockstar to be a language you can write in a browser on your phone so that everybody can become a certified Rockstar developer. And so I did. Codewithrockstar.com/online. There is an interpreter there. Anybody here can type in some code, run it, and come up and get your official certified Rockstar developer certificates, which are self-adhesive and wipe clean. By the way, the logo here that's on the website, I just want a little tip of the hat to the people I stole that from, because they weren't using it anymore. I wanted something that was really like all out, over the top 80s neon rock and roll, and I looked at lots of band logos. I didn't come up with anything. Then somebody said, have you considered Microsoft Consumer Products, 1980 to 1982? And I went, yes, I'm going to recycle that. So thank you, Microsoft. So that is the story of Rockstar. Now, I'd like your help with something, because I have one little surprise left in store for you today, this morning, and that is the example of the chocolate cake that was also a valid program in Chef. I want to see
just one
if we can have
surprise,
a
sad
Rockstar
face.
program that's also a valid song. And so what I'm going to do is to perform it for you, FizzBuzz, live at Build Stuff, and you can draw your own conclusions as to whether you think this is 2 kinds of art, or 1 kind of art, or no kind of art at all. Is that all right with you? I've just worked out what the problem is. La 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 la. There will be a tiny, tiny interlude while we do that. That's better.
Plot twist, it's all art. The question is, do we perceive it as good art? Is anything good art?
Takes your heart and your soul, and while your heart is as high as your soul,
Based on what C selling for like $75 million? No.
without your soul into your heart.
Oh, like the NFTs and stuff.
Give back your heart.
Really? Why do they have to full screen it just as, you know, the code goes away?
Is a love-struck lady killer. My world is nothing
I just think it's really neat that he did this. Playing an instrument required to be a Rockstar developer? Only if you want to get the really good money. Excellent. 2 Rockstars, please. But yeah, like, this whole hour-long video is full of, like, really cool coding things. If you've not seen it before, it's worth a watch. Anyway, sorry about that. Like, complete tangent. Z. Z. And... Z. Oops. My kitty wants some hot dogs. No. My cat's pretty good about, like, not wanting food. Like human food. If you offer him some, he'll be like, yes, please. And occasionally he'll jump up and be like, can I have some? But most of the time, like 99% of the time, he's just like, yeah, you're eating. That's cool. Which is really refreshing. So we want to change this to mesh. Hot dog being one of them. Ooh, excuse me. Whoop. Occasionally I'll be typing something and I'm using an ergonomic mouse. I don't know if you can see that. And every so often I go back from the keyboard and I just knock it over. And it just weebles around. Mesh. Rotate time. Bacon is one. When she was much younger, I would go to the bathroom and come back and she would have eaten all the pepperoni off my pepperoni pizza. Now it's a cheese pizza. Did she not get like really bad stomach aches from the... we discovered something really sad. My cat really likes duck, but it gives him terrible gas. Like really bad. So we'll say, okay, let's say that original rotation equals dot x rotation original rotation equals rotation degree Z. And station. She would eat some spicy chicken from the deli that I would only have on that I would have on my sandwiches. The worst she got was when she realised eating spicy food puts it in the litter box all day. Wow. That's pretty funny. Oh, I need the I need an area 3D and a collision shape and make that a box shape. Make it like so. Mouse area, input event, boom, done, and we do the flip test. So what if we go here and we aha. Oh, for the Gollum language I could make self equals master, and if equal it so now it and if equals it so now it Trixie. Master did attack. What would you use hobbitses for? Would that be... Would hobbitses be multiply? No, let me... let's put the music back on. I need this, if nothing else, to send code to someone and tell them it's a real language. I mean, that's basically how his thing started, right? Print mouse event. Okay. No press. Print left. Print right. Left. do flip. Original rotation plus 90. No, plus 180. Oh. Times direction. There we go. Fixed. Oh my goodness, let me do it on the right scene every time. There we go. Right. Original rotation plus flip time. Direction. Direction. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, I didn't like that. Oh, and then we need to connect the tween. There we go. No. I mean, it kind of works. Feels like maybe the camera needs to be an orthogonal view, but let's see. Oh god. Oops. 20. 15. There we go. Right. Let's see. Whoop, whoop. Why does it? Why does it reset to the original? I don't get it. Why is it? Why does it always flip back to the original? I wonder if it's what if I do minus 180? No, same thing. What is actually happening? Okay, so we need to keep an eye on this rotation degrees. Tile 3. What is going on? What is going on here? Okay, so we've got the remote. Got this top right one. Okay, so the top right one is the correct tile. Okay. Then we go into remote. We've got this. What? Oh my goodness, stop it. Okay. Print mesh dot rotation degrees. Original rotation equals rotation degrees, X or Z. You take the axis, you give it its original state, which is whatever it is when you press the button. A game I am making is a prototype concept for a board game I had an idea for, and it just happened to line up with the theme, the jam theme for God O Wild Jam, which is symmetry. So I was sort of interpreting symmetry as the flipping mechanic. I came up with the idea like a couple of days ago, but I hadn't done anything yet in code. I'd done it in sort of just writing up some rules. But I thought, you know, given its current state, it met the criteria for the jam without breaking any rules. So, yeah, the idea is there will be these sort of symbols, and when you do something to a tile, depending on what arrows and what instructions you are given, made to be broken, rules like bones made to be broken. Are bones meant to be broken? But yes, hello, how are you? Do you use God O yourself? Are you doing the jam? But for some reason, I'm testing out the mechanics in 3D and 2D, and at the moment, for some reason, in 3D, they always flip back to the original orientation before Silly Boneses. Still on the golem. So yeah, I just don't quite understand why it's doing this. What is original ring? Print. Starting from original rotation. Starting from -0. Starting from -0. Starting from -0. Return equals give it to us. I think that could work. What? Back in a second. From the line, give it us raw and wriggling. Or is it gives it to us? So the question is, are you going just based on The Hobbit, or are you also going based on Lord of the Rings? Are you falling asleep? Wherever the content takes it. Are you not too hot here? Precious. I think that would be like var. Like, because you want to keeps it. So like, precious would be yeah. Exactly. Or it could be constant, because then you wouldn't have to type it so often. Maybe ring could be no, it doesn't say ring ever. Shire could be variable. Slightly shorter than precious. You know people are watching you get your belly rubbed. People you don't know. Precious Shire equals 2 hobbits is 3. Are you squeaking? Sorry. Someone wanted attention. And now I can't get to my keyboard. But also, he's a bit too low for you to see, which is a bit sad. Trapped I am, yes. problem is if I try to move even slightly, he gets offended and then he's like, no, I'm off. But yeah, TS, are you doing the Got a wild jam at all? If you're still there? Ooh. That can't be comfortable. No and no. No, you're not still here, and no, you're not doing Godot Wild Jam, or? Ooh. Ah. Oh. Anyway, look, people want to see me doing coding, and you're stopping me doing that. People asked how I got her to do that. This one doesn't bite most of the time. He just wriggles until he gets away. Is it not too hot for you to be in this position? I need to make my mouse, at least, if nothing else. I'm using it as no Godot and no jam. That was I was just rereading the no and no and going, what else could it mean? Oh yes, that was what I asked. Okay, look. People can't even see you. They just see me looking at my belly. It's not entertaining. Have you fallen asleep? But yeah, why do you think this is happening? Like this one works fine. For some reason, flip just doesn't work. Oh, here he comes. Okay. You're ready to go. Off you go. Oh. Ah. Right, so I can't believe it was that simple. Yeah. That'll work now. There we go. Fixed. Okay. So yes, does anyone have any suggestions for whether this works better in 3D or whether it works better in 2D? Weirdly, it feels slower in 2D even though the times are the same. Don't know if anyone else feels that. Like that rotation, that scaling rotation feels so much slower to me. I don't know if it's just because you don't get the same depth perception. Like that's 0.3 second, Yeah, 0.4 seconds. And this is also 0.4 seconds. Maybe with this one I could make it 3, 4. Right? It does. I don't understand it. I'm slightly concerned that if I try it in 3D, I'm just going to end up with a problem. Like really far down, it'll be too late to fix. And also, it's a joined a match faster than expected. Fair enough. Does that mean you're going, or just that you couldn't respond? But I might also have problems with the 2D. It's just that there's one extra dimension to cause a problem in not joining the jam. Wait. Join a match faster than expected, not joining the jam. But the jam is for like 9 days. Eh. Nine days too many. So that flips that way, that flips that way. So it is the same behavior both times. Give me 4 hour jams. I mean oops. I do 2-week jams. Okay, that's fair enough. Mini sounds less impressive. But maybe it's not the mini game jam. There was a game jam that's like 2 hours or something stupid. Let's follow them. I didn't mean to close that. No, never mind. Okay. I think I'm going to continue with 3D for now. Probably a bad idea, but we'll do it. So let's open this folder and commit. And I might just do a little bit more setup and then go to bed, because this is a lot later than I was intending to stream for, but people kept joining. Made some test scenes for clipping in 2D and 3D. Likely stick with 3D for now unless problems occur. Just use a 3D and 2D version and give the user the option. No. just straight up no. So we want a new scene, and we're going to make this a spatial, and we're going to call this orientation action. And we're going to make this be a label. I mean, I'm already coming up with the problem. I'm already coming up with a problem that is solvable by just exporting some text. But okay, let's do it. Let's go. Flip. Ooh, 18th century A. How did I make that my default font? I don't need it to be my default font for anything except for that one project, which is my main project, but still. Sure, let's go with swap. Sulking. What are you doing? Hey. Go on. Don't just sit there looking at me. Oops. Okay, we'll do this, and we'll do this. And feels like I got a spider web in my face. I'm pretty sure it's just hair. Pretty sure it's just hair. We'll export this to programming. And yes, you've probably just seen my dirty secret, which is the number of drives that are running out of space. Please don't judge. I have a problem. We'll call this assets. Textures. And we will call this swap. And we will call this flip. These are probably tiny. How big are they? They'll do. Right, so what we need to do is we need to add a sprite 3D. I'm going to call this arrow. And then you're going to call this one action. And we need the arrow to be something like one of these arrows. Which arrow do I need? Let's go with the green one. And we will also need the rotatey one. Where's edge? Edge. No, not that one. Not that one. Probably not this one either. Nope. This one? Nope. Oh my god. Is it going to be the really? Was it the last one I... Okay. Right. So then we say... Save this to make a new... Oop, wait, don't know. It's the tiles. We want this. Let's make a new thing called tile. Orientation action 3D in case I need to undo. And we will say quick load. Green arrow. Perfect. Okay. But we need this to be this way around and this way around and sort of like that. And then action. Func set action. Match action. And we'll say const action flip. Const action swap. Const action rotate clock. Const action rotate. Oh my goodness. Anti. Go to bed. Go to bed. Const action. I think those are the only 4 actions I need. So action equals act. Match action. Action flip. Show flip icon. Action sprite equal dot texture equals flip icon. Const flip icon equals preload .png swap can't rotate icon really. Really? Okay. Hey, okay, cool. And then we'll say action bar action. Set action, action equals act, action sprite dot texture equals flip action. On ready bar action sprite equals action action swap swap icon. Okay, we're nearly done. Rotate clock. Action sprite dot scale dot x equals -1. Equals 1. And this needs to be rotate icon and rotate icon. Okay. So let's make, let's just copy this test for now. What? What? just say tile 3D. We'll move that to here. To here. And we'll duplicate this. Tile 3D. Move that to here. Open this. And we'll set this script. Okay. And then we want to add we want to instance the orientation action 3D. Ba-doop. I think I need to add a spatial for this. What? Dude, not cool. Oh, yeah. Up. Right. Down. Left. Oops. Cool. Oh. Okay. And then let's move this one like 0.3. .3 minus 0.3 and 0.3. Ooh, what happened to them? Oh, it's just a depth thing. Okay. What? What? Okay. Anyway. And then we add this. We have a raycast and enabled, and we want this to be in the -1 in Z. Yep. Okay. And maybe from the end of the arrow. Snap on? No. There we go. We'll make it -0.5. Unless you go to Unreal and then it's a line trace. What? Do they not have rate? Do they not have like? Wait, why is this tapered? Has this always been tapered? Is this meant to be tapered? Okay, cool. Right, I'll be back in 1 second. I'm just gonna go reward some bad behavior. Unreal is weird and likes to make up their own terminology for stuff. Fair enough. Okay, that kind of works, except it doesn't because the raycast isn't on the same plane as the... Maybe I just do it in 2D? Maybe I just do it in 2D. What if I add another area? We call this ray area. And we just make this a box shape. Perfect. Solved. That is going to be a bit of a problem. But we can work it out as we go. He's full of beans tonight, but he's not allowed out because he keeps bringing in animals. We currently have a mouse living in a room that we cannot get rid of. And yesterday, I got woken up after only 3 hours of sleep to a bird under my bedside table. So, until further notice, he's locked in for the night and he's not happy about it. I did manage to rescue the mouse, the bird though, so I'm quite pleased with that. I open YouTube on my phone, I see Tetris, but the blocks have physics and can fall over. What? Oh, is that Tricky Towers? Yeah, is that this? Oh. Because this is quite a fun game if you ever... Oh god. There's the video that was on my phone. Oh no. I hate it. Thanks. Okay, so we make a new scene for this game, and we will add camera, current orthographic 15. Oops. Rotate. Add spatial board. Funk. Create board. Unready var. No, const. Okay, I should probably stop this, but let's just do it quickly. Tile equals preload tile 3D. For x, for y in range, y size, for x in range, x size, this chair is creaky, export int var I can't remember how to do the range right now. It's too hot, too late. X size equals 36. 36? 6. Export int var y size equals 6. Onready var board equals board dot var tile equals tile dot instance tile dot position origin equals x equals x times by 2 tile
dot transform dot origin dot z equals minus y divided by 2. And board dot add child tile. Bunk ready. Create board. Okay, there we go. And then we just say board dot transform dot origin dot x minus equals x size times 2 actually just x size y size I need to go to bed. Okay, that'll do for now. And then we'll say tile 3D or bunk init for action in actions.getChildren action.setAction randomize action dot visible equals randy and range mod 1 2 if action dot visible rend e mod 4 and then we just want to say on ready bar actions top actions top actions equals top actions And bottom actions. Bottom actions. So for now, we'll just say top actions, and then we'll comment this out because we're not ready for this yet. Cool. Tile.init. What? I know. Right. So we want to add it and then initialize it. That's probably what it is. Yeah, okay, so we got that. Cool. Action.visible equals Randy mod 2. If action.visible, set action Randy mod 4. Oops. Print action set to or name in tile action set to action name get parent That'll do for now. Right. One last thing, and then I'm going to get up for tonight, because I've been streaming for like 3 hours, and I only meant to stream for an hour and a half or so. So it is working. Oh, that's why. Let's have a look. Quick load. Hey! Sort of. If action equals in action, rotate clockwise or anti. Action sprite dot rotation degrees dot. Y 90 else 0. Maybe I can just have two icons. But for now it's sort of working. Sort of. It needs some tweaking. But you know, that's a start, it's an improvement. Okay, let's just do one last little thing. Okay, and let's do, so this would be right, down right, this should be, oh, so this is down left, and this should be minus 0.45, and this should be left, and this should be minus 0.45. Okay. Let's put these .5, .5, .5. Run the game. Okay. Minus 0.5. Um, 0.5. Minus 0.5. 0.5. 0.6. 0.6 minus 0.6 minus 0.6 minus 0.6 minus 0.6 and 0.6, and then maybe these can be 0.55. Oops. Minus 0.55. Minus 0.55. 0.55 minus 0.55 and 0.55. Okay, kind of works. Hard to read, but that's just a case of tweaking. Oh, I know why. Yay! I think this is going to work. So, the last thing I need to do is just modulate this so that it is blue. And modulate, so we'll say this is top sprite. And bottom sprite. Oh no, 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 no. And then okay. Final thing. it sort of works. So I think I'm seeing a problem already, so I'll just fix that before I go. No, what? No, what? No. Perfect. Okay. So then we just want to make this box shape a teensy bit smaller. Okay. So the idea would then be bunk on tile, move finished, tile, tile dot check, ray collisions, lighting tiles, for C tile in lighting tiles. Collision in colliding tiles. Collision dot action match. Collision dot action. Unimplemented hypothetical functioning. Collision dot action. Flip. Collision dot tile dot do flip. Specify direction or ask for user prompt. One swap tile dot move to collision dot move tile dot move to rotate clockwise. Excuse me. Collision dot tile dot do rotate. Okay. Tile dot connect movement ended. Self on tile. Movement on tile. Move. Finished. Okay. So I think this is the basic structure. One tile, move finished. Check if colliding tile has already been flipped this turn. Assuming reverse flips aren't allowed. I think they shouldn't be right now. And we'll just put a thing. Tiles moved this turn. And turn int equals 0. Start turn. Func start. Turn. And then we'll say pass. Actually, tiles move this turn. Dot clear. Turn plus equals 1. And then we'll say func evaluate win. Bool. Return false. If evaluate win. Probably needs more advanced checking in case of daisy chain actions. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. It's like 3 hours later than I was intending, or 2 hours later than I was intending to stream. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you had fun. Hopefully we'll be back possibly tomorrow, otherwise Monday, I think. I've got a thing some of Sunday. I don't necessarily have to be there for all of it, so I can maybe do a little bit of a stream on Sunday. Maybe tomorrow / today. Yeah. Anyway. Maybe Monday, maybe Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. Let's say Tuesday definite. I don't think there's a problem with Tuesday. Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday should be fine. Tuesday and Thursday, I think I can stream. Friday, maybe. Saturday maybe. Sunday definitely not. But also Saturday is GMTK, so I might want to do something for that. We'll see. Anyway, for the last time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.